Rain, snow, thunder, lightning, we see weather every single day, and yet some of the strangest things in nature are hiding right there in the clouds above your head. Here are 8 weather facts so strange you'll want to check them twice. First, lightning. A single bolt of lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. We're talking about 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, roughly 5 times hotter than the sun's surface, all packed into a flash that lasts a fraction of a second. And right now, somewhere on Earth, lightning is striking about 44 times every single second. Next, that smell you notice right before or during rain actually has a name. It's called petrichor, and it comes from oils released by plants that soak into soil and rock, combined with a compound bacteria produce called geosmin. When raindrops hit the ground, they release that scent into the air, which is why the human nose can detect it even in tiny concentrations. Then there's thunder snow, a real and genuinely rare phenomenon where you get thunder and lightning during an actual snowstorm. It needs a very specific kind of atmospheric instability, and because snow muffles sound, the thunder often sounds like a dull thump instead of a crack. Here's one that surprises almost everyone. Raindrops are not shaped like teardrops. Small raindrops are nearly spherical, and as they get bigger, air resistance flattens the bottom, so they actually look more like tiny hamburger buns falling through the sky. Now for something almost alien. Deep under Antarctic sea ice, extremely cold, extremely salty water sometimes sinks and freezes the water around it, forming a growing tube of ice called a brinnacle. Scientists have filmed a brinnacle spreading across the ocean floor, freezing starfish and sea urchins solid in its path, which is why it's earned the nickname icicle of death. Volcanoes can make their own lightning too. When an eruption sends ash, ice, and rock fragments crashing into each other in the plume, it builds up static electricity just like a thunderstorm does, creating what scientists call a dirty thunderstorm, complete with visible lightning bolts crackling through volcanic ash clouds. And about snowflakes, you've probably heard no two are alike, and that's actually backed by science. A single snowflake can contain around 180 billion water molecules, arranged based on the exact temperature and humidity it falls through, which creates so many possible variations that an identical match is statistically almost impossible. Finally, one of the most destructive weather events isn't rain or wind at all, it's hail. The largest hailstone ever recorded in the United States was found in South Dakota, measuring about 8 inches across, roughly the size of a volleyball, and weighing nearly 2 pounds. If you learned something new today, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next batch of facts that sound too strange to be true, but are.